Starting a new build off in my house right now. Basically the car's at the garage and I'm going to have someone work on it early in the morning just so that I can get it into the garage. It's got some suspension damage. Sadly I didn't get no pictures just like as it was coming off the trailer, but you'll see how it looks outside and also when I bring it inside the shop. So hopefully you enjoy the video. This is one of the biggest projects I've done so far, and obviously I'm planning to do many more. So yeah, just keep subscribing, showing the love, sharing, like, comment, everything, you know what I mean? So yeah, stay tuned in. Pow. Basically this is how my car came.
Damn!
No bumper, this side's been damaged. It's not too bad if you can see properly. Let me move the light around. So yeah, as you can see, it's not that bad. Washer bowls needed, headlights needed, some steering bits, suspension bits, a new wing, a new bumper, a new bonnet, and hinges, yeah. That's some of the main bits anyway. As you can see, well you can't really see, but these are some more parts. Those are the steering and suspension parts that I'm going to be fitting. Well, not me, the mechanic that's here to help me. It's really early. I should be in my bed, but yeah, and I'm trying to film at the same time so you guys can see what's going on. Yeah, so this is how it's gonna go. Interesting. Once that's done, I can bring it inside the shop. Quick little update. Wishbone's been changed. Yeah, it's coming a long way. Here we go, guys. Alright, so yep, the wishbone's been changed. The steering arm has been changed as well. That took like 10 minutes, 10-20 minutes. By a professional mechanic. Obviously me, it would have been a lot longer. It's now, look, very dark. And I'm using the lights. I'm gonna put the spare wheel on now. I've got a cracked alloy, so I have to, I'm waiting to receive a new alloy anyway, but I got a cracked one, so I have to put the spare wheel on, and this should be drivable again now. So yes, stay tuned in, and more videos will be coming for this. Yes, as you can see now, the wheel's been, well, spare wheel's been fitted. Yeah, and it's able to drive into the garage now. Once I bring it in the garage, I can then start stripping down this front end, seeing what needs to be bought, and then I can fit on, obviously give it to my body shop to repair it, get it sprayed, and then after that we can do upgrades. Yes, it's come a long way so far. I'm proud of it. Tell me what you would like to see, especially when I get it done. When I get it fixed, tell me what you would like to see on it, what upgrades. Yeah, and I'll do that. Look what we have here. Just coming.
You don't want to be like this. This is disgusting. This is awful in every way. If I could kill it, I would. But I legally can't.
Rare species. Yeah, as you can see, basically a few work had to be done on it. Got a cracked rim here, so that's why I had to put the spare one on. I've ordered a new one that's coming. Got the wishbone changed over. Oh, it's not really clear, is it? Got the wishbone changed over under there, and the steering arm also. Got a few more parts inside that I'm gonna fit up now. I'm gonna strip this whole front end down and see what's wrong with this car. But as you can see, it runs good. Can't complain. Need a new headlight. It's a bit bright, but there's a crack there, so I'm gonna have to get another headlight there. Whole bumper. Yeah. So this is gonna be an interesting build. Got a few lights on the dash. Yes, sir. Is that hot?
What's no? My lip. My
lip move.
Yes. That's how bad the damage is. So on the bonnet you got the hydraulic strut that holds it. On both sides you got two 13mm nuts. So as you can see here, you need a bit of support when taking this off, because you don't want it to drop and then end up hitting the glass and breaking. So here I got my friend to help me hold it whilst I was taking out the bolts. So you gotta separate the hinges and the bonnet by the two 13mm bolts on 13mm nuts, sorry, on each side. Now gently we can take the bonnet off. There she goes. Now it's time to change the hinges and the actuator. On these newer cars nowadays, they come with actuators which prevents the windscreen from getting cracked. Not all the time it works, but on this occasion it worked for me, or for the last person that crashed the car. So yeah, this is quite simple to change anyway. It's a bit fiddly, but it's quite simple to change. First you gotta remove anything that's in the way. That includes wiper arms, so here's the actuator which I'm showing my friend, and we're trying to work out exactly how to take this out. As I said, it's very fiddly, but you can do it. There was like 3 screws holding the hinges. And the tray is literally just plugged in, so you have to plug that out. Try not to break anything when you're doing this. There you go, one hinge up. And it's the same process on the other side.